अभी उनके पास न्यू आइडिया क्या था? वन ऑफ द गर्ल कनेक्टेड विद द पर्सन through Facebook, and she became very good friend. Since he was income tax officer, so she was knowing about the person is very rich. His portfolio is very strong. So 4 to 5 months, both were chatting with each other. All of a sudden, he received a call from his friend, the same friend, Facebook friend, कि I have been caught in airport and these people are demanding 40 lakhs. Otherwise, they will send me to the jail. So right now I'm in big trouble. So we'll be sharing one account detail. Please transfer 40 lakhs. And it has been transferred. See one type of attack. तो लोगों को मालूम है कि तुम कैसे फंस सकते हो. One more news was talking about total number of cyber attacks increased in 2025 compared to 2024 by 20%. Is a big number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So last year, if 1 lakh, then this year would be 1,20,000. So there will be more demand in cyber security positions. So those who wanted to have career in cyber security, ethical hacking, cyber security, digital forensic, all three subjects are very important. Yesterday I was talking about encryption because I need to talk about countermeasures of footprinting. Anyone has ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस? किसी के पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है? ओके. एनीवन हैज टू व्हीलर और फोर व्हीलर?
Yes, sir.
तो if you have two wheeler or four wheeler, can you check your details? अगर तुम्हारे नाम से रजिस्टर्ड है, वेबसाइट पे तुम्हारा डिटेल आ जाएगा, पूरा कंप्लीट डिटेल. So I would suggest check the details of your टू व्हीलर और फोर व्हीलर. परिवहन करके वेबसाइट होती है, उसमें जाके चेक करो जरा. And let me know what you are getting. Am I supposed to share the website or you can find out the website? parivahan.gov.in. मिला वेबसाइट? So know your vehicle details. There is an option. They are asking create login. In that, there is one more license number, date of birth. You'll be getting that your details regarding your license. Mm, I'm trying to find out to get vehicle details. Mm, just a minute, I'm searching, huh? Hmm. Give me 1 minute, huh? So instead of Parivahan, open policybazar.com. I'll be sharing link, huh? जरा ओपन करना. The link which I am sharing in the group, huh? See, I shared the link. So when you open this link in the browser, it will ask enter your vehicle number. Just a minute, huh? Check the owner's detail by number plate RTO. Yes. Hmm? So where to click? Get RTO details. Scroll down, you'll be getting option get RTO details. I'm sharing one more time, huh? Are you able to open? Get RTO details. Click here, get link पे. क्लिक किया लिंक पे. So once you click on the link, it will be asking enter your card number. Then enter your car number or two-wheeler. And you might be getting some details. डिटेल्स मिल रहे हैं क्या? The details which you are going to receive, तुम्हारा कार्ड नंबर आएगा, ओनर का नाम, email ID, mobile number. Now owner name, if you are trying to find out your details and if it is registered, you'll be getting all your details. Everything. अगर रजिस्टर नहीं है तो देखो ओनर के नाम के फर्स्ट 2 लेटर्स आएंगे, फिर मिडिल नेम के फर्स्ट 2 आएंगे, फिर लास्ट नेम के फर्स्ट 2 आएंगे और बीच में क्रॉस क्रॉस क्रॉस. आर यू गेटिंग द सेम? आई एम शेयरिंग. इस तरह से कुछ तुम लोगों को डिटेल्स मिल रहे होंगे. right? This is my car number actually. But looking at owner's name, you won't be able to find out what is the name of the owner. But I know what is the name of owner. Email ID also. If you see my number, last two digits are 84. First two digits are 899. In between, they are printing cross, cross, cross. What does this mean? Meaning of this is they don't want to disclose all the details of car owners publicly. So even though you wanted to know your details or some other vehicle details, it will be coming in encrypted format. वो किस format में आ रहे हैं? Encrypted format. It means the plain text, whatever we are writing in whichever language, that is called plain text. उसको हम लोग plain text बोलते हैं. And this text is converted into ciphertext. Ciphertext is the text which is written in coded format. वो टेक्स्ट कोडेड फॉर्मेट में लिखा रहता है. So plain text is converted into ciphertext. And once it is converted into ciphertext, it will be called as encrypted text. अभी वो encrypted text में आ गया. Now, even though the details are available, but those details are available in encrypted format. वो details किसमें available है? Encrypted format. So others will not be able to know those details. बाकी लोग नहीं identify कर पाएंगे. But you might have seen that traffic police have one application. That application, they enter the number and they will be getting all the details. अभी देखो अथॉरिटी किसको दे दी गई है? To see all the details, the authority is given to traffic police. They have the application, they have their login ID. Once they will log in with their ID, they can enter any of vehicle details and they will be getting all the details. So what kind of details they are getting? They are getting the details like car owner's name, car is registered in which city, whether insurance is expired or it is there, PUC is expired or it is available. All those details they will come to know. And same, if I wanted to see the details of others vehicle, I would be getting this kind of picture which I shared with you. And this picture won't be able to know about complete details of the vehicle because the details are given in encrypted form. तो encryption में क्या हो रहा है? Cipher text, sorry, plain text which we used to write in English is converted into cipher text. तो अभी एक एग्जांपल हम दे रहे हैं. प्लेन टेक्स्ट को तुम्हें साइफर टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है ना? सो माय नेम इज मनीष, MANISH. I don't want to disclose my name to everybody. So what I'm doing, I am converting my plain text Manish into cipher text and using one algorithm. एक छोटा सा algorithm यूज कर रहे हैं. Each alphabet will be replaced by its successor. Alphabet किससे replace हो जाए? उसके successor से. Just a minute. So each alphabet will be replaced by the next successor alphabet. तो मेरा नाम क्या है? मनीष is converted into साइफर टेक्स्ट. ये प्लेन टेक्स्ट है, ठीक है ना. दिस इज रिटन इन प्लेन टेक्स्ट और इसको हमने साइफर टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट किया. तो एम को किससे रिप्लेस कर देंगे? एन से. ए को किससे रिप्लेस कर दिया? बी से. एन को किससे रिप्लेस कर दिया? ओ से. आई को जे से. एस टी से. एच आई से. नाउ will you come to know whether this was Manish? तो हमने एक की यूज की. Algorithm. I used one algorithm. Algorithm is what? Converting the alphabet to its successor alphabet. Replacing each alphabet to its successor. And what benefit I am getting? Even attacker won't be able to know what is my name. So now I am not sharing Manish. अभी हम मनीष नहीं शेयर कर रहे हैं. अभी हमने क्या शेयर कर दिया? इनक्रिप्टेड. और तुम लोगों को क्या बता दिया है? ओरिजिनल प्लेन टेक्स्ट ईच अल्फाबेट इज कन्वर्टेड टू इट्स सक्सेसर. तो तुम्हारे पास पब्लिक की है, मेरे पास प्राइवेट की है, right? So you people are using public key to convert ciphertext to plain text. I have private key to convert a plain text into ciphertext. Now I shared the name, my name in the group, and you people won't be able to know this is my name. What is my name? So sometimes cross is coming, sometimes this kind of alphabet is coming, right? So all the confidential information of the organization will be shared in encrypted format. Anybody developed any project? किसी ने कोई मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम वाला प्रोजेक्ट किया है क्या? one more example I am talking about, right? And I am sure you might have done this mistake. किसी ने किया है मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम और एनी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, जहाँ पे डेटा एंटर करना हुआ, अपडेट करना हुआ, डिलीट करना हुआ, these operations you are able to perform. Anybody done it? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. So if you are developing one application where the data is supposed to be created, now just for an example, Facebook, we have login ID, password. So admin panel of Facebook will have what? All the records of user ID and password, all the records. तो अब अगर हम Facebook के एडमिन पैनल में लॉगिन करेंगे, I'll be getting thousands of user IDs. Those who have account in Facebook, I'll be getting all the details, as well as I will be getting password also, because I am admin. So earlier this kind of picture was there, right? So if you are getting a chance to log in with admin, you will be getting all the details of user ID and password in plain text format. तुमको मालूम चल जाएगा उसका यूजर आईडी क्या है, पासवर्ड क्या है. But now the concept is being changed. Even though I log in with admin, I will be getting details of login ID and password, but it will be in encrypted format. वो किस फॉर्मेट में होने वाले हैं? Encrypted format, just because of security reasons. This is called cyber security, because nobody would be able to hack my details. confidential data, user IDs and passwords are confidential, anybody can take. Your bank account credentials must be confidential. So when you go to ATM machine, when you type 4-digit pin number, it is coming cross, cross, cross. Reason is what? It is supposed to be secured, confidential. And all the confidential details will be coming in encrypted format. Encrypted is what? Plain text converted into ciphertext. तो उन्होंने एल्गोरिथम क्या लगाई है? वट एवर इज द प्लेन टेक्स्ट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू क्रॉस, एंड ईच क्रॉस मीनिंग इज ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड. तुमको क्रॉस दिख रहा है, लेकिन हर क्रॉस का एक मीनिंग है, राइट? So here also, if I see the admin panel of Facebook, I will be getting all the user IDs encrypted format and all the passwords also in encrypted format. So I will not be able to know what are the user IDs, and for each user ID what is the password. मेरे को मालूम चलेगा ही नहीं. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So cyber security is very important. Earlier, when we used to keep a Gmail password, Gmail password हम लोग कुछ भी रख देते थे. 1234. I am talking 90s, 95, 96. Actually, 95, 96 Gmail has not started, I think. That time Yahoo was there. YahooMail.com. Gmail started 98, 99. So we were allowed to keep any password. I can keep 1234 also. But now, if you are creating an account, you are not able to keep 1234 as a password. It will ask, okay, your password must be 8-digit password. One of the alphabet must be capital. There should be one numeric and one special character. Why they are talking all these things? To make your password strong, so that people cannot, even though people are trying to hack your credential, they should not be able to guess your password. Brute force attack is the same. जहाँ पे yesterday I was talking about, your password should not be with your name 12 or 123. ठीक है ना? So that is why, to make your application or account strong, confidential, should not be hacked, they are applying so many things. So first, they were asked, they used to ask, okay, keep the password. Then they identified, okay, easily people are able to hack the password. Then they said, okay, 8-digit password. Then also they identified, okay, password could be hacked, though it is 8-digit. Then they used combination. Combination was one numeric and one special character must be there. So this way they were able to hack. This way also they were able to hack. उन्होंने फिर क्या किया? उन्होंने बोला, okay, even though you are trying to log in, will send OTP to your So then they ask, okay, share the OTP. Even though you are typing the password, the OTP will be sent to your mobile number. When you enter the mobile number, then only it will be done. See how they are trying to make your application more secured. More secured. Right? This is called two pin verification. Two pin verification is one password, then OTP also. Now, then they started one more process. OTP will be sent to your mail ID as well as phone number, and two different OTPs. मेल वाला अलग OTP होगा और फोन वाला अलग OTP होगा. माइट बी योर फोन इज बीन हैक, तो अभी तुमको मेल वाला भी OTP डालना है और फोन वाला भी OTP, then only you will be able to log in. See the security, how they are making the system very much secure. And you know, in future, how you will be able to log in your account? Any guesses?
Biometrics.
Yes, your system will be secured. Even digital transactions will be secured. You'll be sure about your account cannot be hacked. Right? So encryption, decryption is playing a very important role in cyber security. Encryption is what? Converting plain text into ciphertext. Decryption is what? Converting ciphertext into plain text. तो जब भी ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस में तुम चिप देखते हो, दैट चिप इज यूज टू स्टोर द डेटा. उसमें पब्लिक की, प्राइवेट की एल्गोरिथम्स ऑलरेडी पड़ी हुई हैं, जिसके थ्रू वो डिटेल्स फेच कर लेते हैं. तो अभी तुम लोगों ने वो साइट ओपन की जो हमने बोला था, आरटीओ व्हीकल इंफॉर्मेशन. ओपन करके देखो जरा. आर यू गेटिंग योर डिटेल्स द वे आई शेयर्ड? आर यू गेटिंग similar kind of details? Just check it out. So they are trying to maintain the security, keeping security very high. ओपन किया? Yes or no? Then I'll tell you one more. Are you able to open? तो एक देखो इंक्रिप्शन यहाँ पे यूज हो गया, सिक्योरिटी यूज हो गया, ठीक है ना. अभी फिर से गूगल सर्च में जाओ. Now this time Google search में डालो directors of Vulcan Infotech. Already the name of the company I typed. Again I am typing in WhatsApp. So many applications are open. So you go to Google and type डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ वेलकन, कंपनी का नाम हम लिख रहे हैं वेलकन इन्फोटेक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। गूगल पे सर्च करिए, you'll be getting a link of Zuba Crop, उस पे क्लिक कर देना। क्लिक किया?
Yes, sir.
Now you'll be getting the name of the company, SIN number आ रहा है 2722 something like this, basic information आ रही है, publicly release disclose basic information, right? The class of the company is private, date of incorporation when the company started 2015 में, correct? Below that key numbers में देखो आके, key numbers में total assets, revenue and profit along with salaries, other employees benefits expenses, वहाँ पे कुछ दिख रहा है information? Are you getting those information?
No, sir.
Locked. That information is secured. Will be allowed to access only internal numbers. उसके नीचे आ जाओ. Outstanding payments to micro and small enterprises. वहाँ पे भी देखो लॉक दिख रहा है. Below that, investor complaints. Serious complaints about Welcome Infotech. वहां पे भी लॉक दिख रहा है, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and below that, directors and key managerial personnel of Welcome Infotech. You will be getting details. My name is listed. And if you move further, then other companies' details are mentioned. Now click on any of the company, you'll be getting similar kind of information. Some of the information disclosed publicly and some of the informations are locked. It means the information is secured. Nobody would be allowed to access that information. तो जो बाकी के कंपनीज के लिंक दिए हुए हैं उन पे क्लिक करके देखो जरा. None of the companies you will be getting financial details. Payment, outstanding payments, revenue, total assets, profit, किसी भी कंपनी के तुम नहीं देख पाओगे. Because you are not the authorized person. चेक किया?
Yes, sir.
So we have to make our application secured. To secure the application, we are using what? Encryption, decryption. Without encryption, decryption, सिक्योरिटी कैन नॉट बी मेंटेन्ड, सिक्योरिटी हम लोग नहीं मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to keep the uh, uh, to keep the application secure. टाइप करो facebook.com. टाइप किया, वेब पोर्टल पे ओपन करो facebook.com और उसका यूआरएल हमें बताओ क्या आ रहा है. यूआरएल URL might be starting HTTPS. Are you getting? HTTP is what? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. S means what? S stands for security. Right? So any of the application or page, if you open and you find HTTPS, अगर उसमें HTTP के बाद S लगा हुआ है, it means that web page it is difficult to hack that web page. और अगर उसके HTTP के बाद S नहीं लिखा है, इसका मतलब वो पेज सिक्योर नहीं है. So hackers are doing what? Will find out such pages जहां पे HTTP के बाद S नहीं लगा होता है, because they know I can easily hack this kind of application. If the applications are secured, they will not be able to hack. Or I won't say they will not be able to hack, I would say it is difficult to hack such application. लेकिन जिनके लास्ट में HTTPS लगा हुआ है वो डिफिकल्ट हैं हैक करने के लिए, बट जिनके लास्ट में S नहीं लगा हुआ है इट्स वेरी इजी. You kept your doors open, you are inviting hackers come and attack on my website. And who is working on HTTPS? S पे कौन काम करता है? The organizations which provide security to your organization, like Dell का नाम सुना है सबने, Deloitte का नाम सुना है सबने, heard about Deloitte? Yes or no?
No, sir.
So Deloitte is a company who is the company is famous for the company is famous for antiviruses and firewalls. Heard about antiviruses?
Yes, sir.
So this company is famous for building antiviruses. And it is not like once the antivirus is shared, it will be same. The antiviruses are supposed to be updated periodically, might be in 15 days, might be in 1 month. You might have seen WhatsApp जब तुम लोगों ने इंस्टॉल किया था उसके बाद you might have get the notification of update your WhatsApp आता है ना. अपडेट के लिए बोलते हैं कि नहीं बोलते हैं?
Yes, sir.
So I remember when last time I updated, then my WhatsApp has become my WhatsApp started using artificial intelligence, AI यूज करने लगा, मेटा डेटा यूज करने लगा. तो वर्जन्स क्या बता रहे हैं? वर्जन्स आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अपडेशंस ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर, एंड अपडेटेड वर्जन विल बी मोर सिक्योर्ड विद द प्रीवियस वर्जन. That is why we are going for updations. करेक्ट. तो हम लोगों को अपडेट करते रहना चाहिए एप्लीकेशंस को, सो दैट माय एप्लीकेशन विल बी सिक्योर्ड. So for updation, you are getting notification on your phone or the website whenever you open the website. Hmm? So now even AI will be used, as far as my knowledge, AI is going to be used in security. Already it is there in security. यूज होने लगा है सिक्योरिटी में. हाउ कम? कॉल्स में मालूम चल जाता है स्पैम कॉल्स है, फ्रॉड कॉल्स है, मालूम चल जाता है. ठीक है ना? So once you marked it fraud, always whenever you receive a call from that number, it will be coming as a fraud call. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So ethical hacking is related, interrelated to cyber security. ऐसा नहीं है केवल हम इथिकल हैकिंग पे काम करते रहे. In the beginning I told, I will not teach you how to hack the account, I will teach you how to secure your account. बोला था ना हमने स्टार्टिंग में. तो हम सिक्योर करना सिखा सकते हैं लेकिन हैक करना नहीं सिखाएंगे. बिकॉज आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट, if I tell you the technique to hack the account, you'll be using for ethical hacking or you will use for hacking. I will be in trouble. Right? कोई बोल देगा okay, I'll pay you 20,000, access this account. You will access. 20,000 के लिए तुम एक्सेस कर लोगे. So it's very difficult to work with ethics. Very difficult. It's like the same. है कोई बंदा जिसने अभी तक झूठ ना बोला हो? Not possible. So ethical hacking is also the same profession. You cannot tell lie. You have to work on your ethics. It should be your passion, not botheration. Right? So security is the second part of ethical hacking. And how we are maintaining security? With the help of encryption. अभी डेटा को इनक्रिप्ट करने लगे, ओटीपी आने लगा, बायोमेट्रिक्स आ जाएगा बाद में. करेक्ट. So now I will take the next topic, countermeasures of footprinting. ठीक है ना? अब हम ये टॉपिक ले सकते हैं. So understand whatever is been discussed today. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next I will be starting countermeasures, objective, and the source of footprinting. So I am done. Any doubt, people can check with me. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो वो पूछ सकता है.
No, sir.
Okay, then you can leave the session. Huh?